Hi guys, welcome back on this channel. So in this video I will tell about the design and development engineer vacancies at Bosch. So Bosch is a big German MNC and I hope many of you might have heard their name before. So this vacancy is for freshers or people with 1 or 2 years of experience, and this job will be based in Bangalore, right? So we will see the job description. So this is the job description. First is responsibility of components and assemblies from a constructive point of view, design, guarantee of a functionality ready for production, assembly, meeting timelines, meeting the target costings. Main contact person for design and development topics internally and external, which is to the supplier for respective component or assembling. Release of the work products, supplier management on technical level, and FMEA of assembly and products. So qualification they have asked is bachelor's in mechanical engineering. Additional information. So this is the additional information which they have mentioned. First is clarification of constructive and technical questions internally and externally, right? Second is 3D modeling and 2D drawing creation in TCE and NX, including SAP documentation, and creating of assembly constructions on component and assembly level. So if you have SAP certification from any online portal or any academy which you have done, then you can surely mention in your resume, which you will use while applying for this. Okay, now third is good understanding of manufacturing processes, which are casting, forging, injection molding, and sheet metal. Mean basically you should have good amount of knowledge related to all the fields of production, right? So defining simulation boundary conditions and interpretation of results. So if you have your projects in design and simulation, then you might be knowing that knowing the boundary conditions is a big thing in the field of simulation, right? So you should know where to select the nodes and what boundary conditions you should define, right? So it's very important when we design the components. Case and effect relationship, keeping the milestones of scheduling plan on component assembly, product development. So you can read all these things. I'll keep the video short, right? And in the end they have mentioned these 3 points: good hands-on experience in CAD tools, right? Exposure to gauge dimensions and tolerance, tolerance stack up analysis, 2D and 3D both, right? And the last point I'll highlight it with, which they have mentioned, German language skills will be an advantage, right? So if you know German even up to A2 or B1 language, right? A2 or B1, right? Please do mention in your resume and highlight it with italics or bold. This will give a huge impact on your application and selection process, because these German companies, they give a lot of preference to the candidates who have any knowledge regarding German language. So please highlight it in your resume. So thank you. This was for today's video. And wait, before ending I'll tell you how to apply. So in order to apply, you can click on I am interested, right? So you can fill all your details here. You can do from your other networks also, like LinkedIn, I suppose. Just let me check. Yes, apply with social profiles, apply with smart profile. Yes, LinkedIn option is also there. So if you are having your ID on LinkedIn directly, you can apply through that also. So this was for today from Bosch. So if you like the video, you can subscribe to my channel, and you can press the bell icon also in order to stay updated. So thank you.